If you want the charge of your Samsung S25 or S26 to last longer, then let us see some important things that we can do. The number one thing that consumes more battery charge is the screen. It is big and vibrant. So let us see what settings can we change to make the battery last longer. Go to settings, go to display, and make sure that the brightness is either medium but not maximum. Always enable this option, adaptive brightness. Go to motion smoothness and select standard. So when you select it as standard, then the refresh rate of the screen will be 60 Hz. You only need 120 Hz refresh rate if you are playing games. Let's go back. Go to screen mode and select natural. Now here there is a screen resolution. Let's make sure that we select FHD plus and not QHD plus. So if you select this option QHD plus, then the screen will consume a lot of battery. Now the second thing that we have to do is we need to close all the apps that are running in the background. Tap on this reset button here, and if there are any apps running in the background, select close all. If there are apps that you don't use too often, then you can manually put them to the sleep mode. So go to settings here, go to battery, go to this option background usage limit. Enable this option, put unused apps to sleep. So any app that is not used often, then it will go to the sleep mode. You can also manually add the app, select sleeping apps, tap on this plus icon here, and then you can select that application to go to the sleep mode that you don't use often. Select add. The third thing is, if you have a weak 5G network signal, or if you don't use 5G network signal, then you have to manually set the network mode to 4G. For that one, go to settings here, go to connections, go to mobile networks, go to network mode and select LTE instead of 5G. If you select 5G, then the phone will continuously hunt for 5G network and the phone will consume power. So make sure to select LTE. So these are the small things that you can do in order to last the battery charge longer in your Samsung phone. Of course, if you play too much games, do video call, then the charge of the battery won't last longer. So you have to remember that thing also. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.